Ryan.
That's not happening. I'm sorry. I meant the...
No, I know what you meant.
Sure.
So this is what this whole night's about. The drinks, pretending to be my friend.
We are your friend.
Honey, we care about you. And we want to make sure that you got No, sweetie, don't just start texting because you don't like the conversation. Here. What is this? It's a blog that I'm doing. I'm really liking my photography, and people all ask me if they like the way that I dress, so I've been posting pictures of my outfits on my site. And no, it's not a huge money maker right now, but I do get money whenever someone clicks on a link and buys something that I want. I'm going to take a business class next semester, which I'm hoping will help me try all of this and becoming a stylist. 100 followers. Most are women who want to know what to wear. Some are men who want to know what I'm wearing, but I'm trying to figure a way to block all the curves. So yeah, that's that.